Now we are going to see average author per paper. I mean AAPP. Then average productivity per author. Here for average author per paper we should do number of authors divided by number of papers. For example, for the year 2014, how can we calculate it? D11 means authors, number of authors divided by number of papers. Number of papers means C11 means 162. Here see, here in the formula bar we should type equal to D11. We should select the cell, then divided by C11. C11 means number of papers. Number of authors divided by number of papers. Then now we got the result 4.93. For the average productivity per author, so number of papers divided by number of authors. That means ulta. Here see AAPP, average productivity per author. Here see what can we do? Here in the formula bar is equal to C11, number of papers we are in need, then divided by number of authors. That is the results of 0 to 0. Here for the publication of the average publications 5.69, then average, then total number of the papers 2402, published by 13,673 authors. Then average author per paper 5.69. Then productivity per author means 0.18. For getting these tables, we are in need of the number of authors, then number of papers, then year of publications. So we are in need of the 3 columns. So how can we get it? We can see in the Bib Excel. For example, herein the data was downloaded from the Web of Science by the plain text format in the name of the ginger and the botanical name of the ginger. So here I am giving the year range also. Here I am going to create one new folder in the name of, we are in need of the author. So how many authors? Then year of publication also. So we are going to, so here total number of publications, then I copy the txt2 file in the folder, paste it, then open the Bib Excel. Here my folder is the author, txt2 file. Now I am maximizing the Bib Excel window. Which field we are going to analysis? AU. So old tag type the AU tag only we are going to analysis. MISC, convert to dialog format, Web of Science plain text. Okay, no. Then the result is the DOC file. Select the DOC file, view file, then any separated field, prep, okay. Then no, we are in need of the line by line. Wait for a few seconds, that result will come. So first, as per our record, first article published by single author, second article 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 authors produced. Second article, this one is the third article. Now we are in need of the year of publication also. So for this sake only, select the OUT file, view file, then PY. PY means year of publication. Add field to units. Then here see, only person is giving the message box. Okay. No. Then he is so great. So sometimes the PY field is not available. Can we take it to the JN field? Okay, give them, allow them. Yes, sir. So great. So now the result is the JN1 file. Okay, so here I am leaving the, minimizing the Bib Excel window and going to the Excel sheet. Then I am going to open the which folder I am having? In the authors folder, select the JN1 file in the Word file, in WordPad or Notepad. Whatever you want, you can open it. Open the JN1 extension file. So it's opened. So here I am copying Control A, Control C. Now I am going to open in the new sheet. Okay, paste it in the A2 column. Save it. This one is the record. Okay, A1 is the record. Then this one is the authors. Here, year of publication. Yes. So, here I am making it bold. By that only it will look nice. Then I am making to the center also. That is your own will and wish. If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, you can leave it. That is your own will and wish. Then here I am selecting it. Control A. Shift Control down arrow. By that all the records will be selected. Then Control C, select it. Then insert pivot table, pivot table. Then I am going to open in the new sheet also. Okay. Here years in the column. Then authors in the rows. Records in the values. So here as usual in the record one combo box will be there. Here we should add the value field setting, select count. Okay. Now we got all the records 2014 to 24 because that record is uploaded that submitted in 2023 but it was accepted in 24. So we can leave it. Here go down. So here, so totally, here I am copying it. Okay, Control C, then going up, Control Home. Here I am putting here. So here, so in the this total is the grand total. So 2014, how many records? 798 records. This one 2014. Here the same only I am going to copy it in the, then Control S, save it, that same record. Okay. Control C, then which record I need? Control B, here I can put it. So by that only we can get it. In 2024, we can delete it. Okay. Delete. Then here, I am selecting auto sum. So totally how many? 13,673. So that only. So in 2014 how many records? How many authors? 798 authors. In 2015 698. That only I typed here itself only. That the row is the here. Then total in 2020-23. So total number of authors how many? So 2,202 authors produced that. Total number, so 13,693. Okay, right. Leave it here itself. Then we are in need of the number of papers. This one, this column and this column is over. This column I make it is the red. If you want you can do it, otherwise you can leave it. This column and this columns are over. Here we should fill up of the number of papers. How can we fill up? Then again go to the bib excel window. Then here I am, so we are in need of the, for per year how many papers are going to published the previous years. So here I am creating one folder py, copy, copy and paste it in the PY folder. Okay, then go to the bib excel. Then what is my file name? File name is the PY. Okay, here in the year of publication we are in need. View file, then PY. PY is the year of publication. How many articles published? MISC, PY, TXT2 file, view file, MISC, convert to dialog format, verbose in plain text. Okay, no. If you are so familiar means we can take from the doc file itself. So doc file is for every file, it is common to all. So view file, in the PY where is it? PY year of publication, that only we are in need. So here PY is the single answer. So we are selecting whole field in tag, prep, okay. No. Okay, you can give the, so PY, yes, you can give, sorry, extremely sorry, PY, yes. So in the, as per our record, first record published on 2015, second record 19. So here the, what is the result? OUT dot extension OUT file. Here select the sort and descending, whole string, start, okay. Yes, that result is the CIT file. So the copy the CIT file. Now I am going to the PY folder. Open the CIT file in the WordPad or Notepad. Then Control C. Then I am opening the Excel sheet. Control V. So here again I am copying it to the Control V because I am in need of the descending order. The year of publication should be in the descending order. Here I am selecting this field 2000. Then smallest to the highest. Smallest means 2014 only as per our record. 2014, 14, 15, 16 up to 24. 24 we are in, we don't want. So because the year of publication is coming up. So up to 2023. Here I am copying the same thing only up to this one. 162, the same thing only I copied it here. This one is the already we got it. So 2014 to 2023 already is there. Now only we should get it from the PY tag. So these three columns are over. Okay. Okay. Then here, then I will give the same Excel sheet in the description area. So you can do it again also. So I already given to the 2 or 3 papers itself. This same window will connect it to the description area from the Google Drive link I will give. So don't worry about this. Here I am copying it. So D11. So we are going to find out the average author per paper. Here the AAP, this one is then APPA, average productivity per author, this one. This is the formula. Then this formula is extension I am giving T11 divided by C11. This means 798 divided by 162. The result is the 4.93. Then for APPA, so C11 divided by D11. 162 divided by 798. The result is the 0.20. So here I am doing it. So D11 divided by C11 means D11 you can copy here and here itself. D11 divided by tag selected. For example, is equal to I am giving which formula? D11 divided by then C11. Enter, make enter the result. Then here select the results. Then one small plus box will be there. If you click here means you can get all this. Then here for getting this one. So D22 then AAP for the total. Then what is the average? Here the average author's frequency is 5.69. From how many publication? 2402. From the year between published from the year 2014 to 2023. Then for the year of the publication 2015 0.23 is the highest author's productivity. Okay, highest average productivity per author. So this one is the average. So here for the year, so average productivity per author is 0.18 for the total years. So this same Excel sheet I am going to give it to the description area. So okay, so that's good. Thank you.